Welcome to ArtMagic.
In this delightful drawing, we see Mama Dino showcasing the pure essence of motherly love. With a gentle smile on her face, Mama Dino stands tall, radiating warmth and affection. She carries her adorable baby Dino on her back, symbolizing the nurturing bond between mother and child. Baby Dino, snugly nestled on Mama Dino's back, looks up with wide eyes filled with adoration. Their bond is evident in the way they gaze at each other, communicating love and trust through their eyes. This drawing is a perfect way to celebrate Mother's Day, reminding us of the unconditional love and care mothers provide. Let your creativity flow as you bring this charming scene to life with vibrant colors and joyful expressions. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.